Hello, LaSalle. I'm Nicholas Milan.
I'm Nicole Spirito,
and welcome to WLSA.
We hope you and your families had a healthy and restful Easter.
As we are adjusting to week 6 of social distancing and the continuation of online learning, LaSalle has adjusted to a new modified schedule.
Beginning next week, Wednesdays will be held as a reading day and no classes will meet.
Although teachers cannot schedule Zoom meetings or assign new work, they will have office hours available throughout the day if you need any extra help or have a question.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.
Let's send it off to Quarantine Kitchen to see what Amalia has cooking for us this week.
What's up, LaSalle? It's Emilia and welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some mac and cheese, so go wash your hands and let's get cooking. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and buttering the dish you'll be baking in. Then cook the pasta. While the pasta is cooking, melt half of the butter and stir in the flour, then the milk. Once it's combined, melt the cheese in it to make the sauce. Drain the pasta, pour the sauce over it and mix well. Then melt the rest of the butter and mix it with the breadcrumbs. Pour the pasta into the dish and sprinkle the breadcrumbs on top. Bake for about 15 minutes. That's it for today on Quarantine Kitchen. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Amalia. That mac and cheese looked really good. I can't wait to try it myself.
In support of Governor Raimondo's Reading Challenge and the school libraries in Rhode Island, we invite students, faculties, and all members of our LaSallian community to share a short video of yourselves reading a poem or a short literary piece that can be shared on our website to show us how you're engaging in the Governor's Challenge.
Now, to cheer everyone up, here are some submissions from our pet segment to send everybody some virtual animal love. Thank you, everyone, for your submissions.
It really warms our heart to see all of the joy animals can bring us, and we hope we did our part by bringing some joy to you during this bleak time.
We echo our continual message to keep checking your email and your Google Classroom for information from your teachers and deans.
Keep practicing good hygiene and social distancing to flatten the curve by supporting all of our healthcare workers that are fighting against this virus every day.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
From everyone here at WLSA, I'm Nicholas Milan.
I'm Nicole Spirito.
Have a great day.
And a better tomorrow.